In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay not working. First, make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch is updated to the latest iOS or watchOS version, as outdated software can cause Apple Pay to malfunction. Next, check that your card is active, has sufficient funds or credit, and that all billing information, including the expiration date and zip code, is correct in the wallet app. Restart your device to refresh the system processes and ensure you have a stable internet connection or cellular signal when making payments. If Apple Pay is still not working, remove the card from your wallet app and re-add it to refresh the connection. You can also check your bank or card app for any alerts, restrictions, or fraud holds that may prevent transactions. So that's it.